Different types of evidence require different methods of examination. Searching for keywords in videos, annotating specific portions of an image for detailed investigation, sharing evidence with other officers, magnifying, rotating evidence, etc. are those features that can speed up the entire investigation process. VIDIZMO DEM offers a basic information inspection feature in its digital evidence management system that can make the police and law enforcement agencies work more efficiently. In this video, we will be looking at viewing basic information for specific evidence. From the portal's homepage, click on the evidence that you need to view the basic information for. Provide the reason and access explanation for accessing the evidence and you will be redirected to evidence playback. On the Evidence Information tab, you can see all the details related to the evidence like basic information, details, tags, additional information, and notes. Basic information provides details like the author of the evidence, type of evidence, folder in which the evidence was uploaded, last updated date, etc. The Details section shows the description associated with the evidence, whereas tags show the manual and AI-generated tags assigned to the evidence. Additional information provides details like case number, case type, case ID, etc. The Notes section shows any type of notes that are submitted by any officer on the evidence. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO digital evidence management. Stay tuned until next time.